Okay, so I'm going to tell you about this is my database, eShopDB, and I have a product list, and you know that we have a 40 list, artificial ring, artificial bangles, temples, and like these are the categories and the types. So I want to uh, test my API in a Postman. So first of all, go to the workspace and create a new workspace. And first of all, put the name of the workspace is diamond shop, or you can say that jewelry shop, jewelry jewelry shop. This is my jewelry shop project, and just create it. And after that, you can create a collections, and the collection name is eShop, and inside it you can take the first request, and that request is related to the you know uh, your controller section here, and where we have a products controller. So the first request is going to API controller, and that is the products controller. And what is my the application URL? So my application URL is related to the HTTPS 7284. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that is you can just add variable under the eShop collection. So the variable is the base URL. So this is my base URL, and this is my base URL, that is 7284. Okay, now after that you can close this variable, and after that you can generate a new request, and the request is get products I want. And here you can just put it base URL, and after that API slash, and your this is my products controller, so this is my products. So here we go for the products, and I want to get the informations to complete, but it's a error connections. So first of all, to run your API first, just after that check your result. So 7 to 8. So here we have a result, like that is my first page, and the page size is 6. So you can increase by the page size like this. This is your page index, so this is my page index, and the page index is 2, and the size page size is 10. So you can, oops, that is the result is 200. So the page size is 2 and the page index is 10. So the result is 200 and your page size is like that. So the next record is the count is 36, the page size is 10, and the data is here, that is the 10 records. Okay, so I want to go for the next, that is the get products, and here we have a product specs parameter, and you can see that the product specs parameter is there, like the categories, and here you can just pass the multiple categories. Okay, so I want to check my categories in your query. So just test your result first, and the page index, page size, and the categories. And what is the categories is here, and these are the categories actually. So I want to go for the edit top 200 rows. So you know that here we have a type is gold. I want to get for the gold and the silver. So just go for the categories, and this is my name, categories is gold. So I want to go for this one, and here we have a page index, count is 4, but the name is does not match, that is the categories. So I want to check first, the name is categories, and I want to receive it in the product specs parameter, that is categories. Okay, so there is the multiple categories, you can just pass it here. So oops, there is nothing. So the categories is gold, but you do not get any records. So I want to go for the products first, and I want to just put your breakpoint here and just do it. After that, you can just check the product specs parameter first, and here we have a product specs parameter is categories is count 1. So here we have a gold, it's okay, fine. Now I want to go for the get products asynchronous. So go to implementation first, and here we have a product specs parameter. So it's dot string dot is null or empty, the param dot search, and the next one is param dot categories dot any. So I want to go for the breakpoint again, and after that you will go for, and here we have a as queryable query. Okay, that's fine. Now product dot any, yes, I have a categories that is count 1, and param dot categories dot contain x dot categories. So I want to get result, so this is my result. And okay, now after that you will go for the sorting again, and oops, I just that is the order by the name, and return your available query dot skip param dot index and the param dot page size. Okay, so I haven't record that is the page size is 2 and the page index is 2, but the data is empty right now. And here we have a count is 4. I mean to say that data we have, but the page index is 2. So the page index is 1, and data is based on your page number and the page size. You just get only the 4 records, because we have only the 4 records related to the gold jewelries, like the gold bangles, bangles, and the categories is like that. Okay, so I want to get the silver also, so silver, and just get it result, and the data count is 8. So gold is 4 and the silver is also 4, so that we have a gold jewelry and the silver, and these silver earrings. I want a diamond. Okay, so diamond, and the result is like the count is 4. Again we have the 4 results of related to the diamonds. Okay, so here we have a 3 categories. Also I want to get types. So what is the type is here, and the type is related to the that is the necklace. I want to get necklace only, and related to the gold, silver, and diamond. So just get the diamond. I want only necklace related to the categories gold, silver, and diamonds, but I want necklace only. So the page index is 1, and I want to get result. So here we have a 12 counts and related to the necklace only. So the name is diamond bracelet, style is bracelet, and the type is bracelet, but I just want get the type only the bracelet. Okay, so just got it for the types. I think its category name is the types. Just I want to check it in the product specs parameter, go to definition, and the name is the types. Okay, so you just put it then actual name. So this is my types, and here we go for the count is only 3. So the type is necklace, and but the category is diamond. The type is necklace, but the category is gold, and the type is necklace, but the category is silver. So that's fine, and it's working. Okay, so see in the next video, and you will see here we have a get product. So just I want to save the all. Now I want to get the next the products related to the get products by ID and create product. I want to create a new product. Okay, so I want to test it first. So what is the result actually? So I want to get the information from the product.json, but I want to change some data. Okay, so just copy, and just add a new request, that is the create product. So here you just go for the create product and enter the URL, that is the base URL. So just you can use it the base URL. After that you can use API / products. Okay, so this is my get request, and here we have a post request, and here we have a just use body and the row JSON. Now here we have a gold bangles, but I want a classic gold bangles. So bangles latest, so that is the name only, I want to change it only. Okay, and the price is also changed, like 35,000. Okay, gold is category, quantity in the stock is 20, so I want to change it with the 10. Picture URL is the same, and just I want to go for the post URL. So for product controller and the create product, okay, and I will go for this one. Okay, so the product is there, and okay, now just continue it. Okay, so the product is created right now, and that is my product. So now your URL is working, and I want to go for get get only products, get only brands and the types in the from the list. So I want to check my repository first, where we have a uh, some URLs more, like get types only, and get brands only, where we have get types and the get categories. So there we have a 2 URL more. So I want to go for the products again, and just use get http get and create a new endpoint again. So just one is http get, and here we have a types, or you can say okay, types first. Now just get product type. Okay, and I want to get the product types based on their all the product types. I want to just get it from the database. So here you can just use get products type, get types async, and you can use await here, and you can use where types, and the types is you can just check it. If types is null, return not found, and otherwise you will return the types. Okay, so return types, and here we have a action result of a list of string. I want to get it from the database. Okay, so get product types. Similarly, you just get what is this? The types is actually read only list. So here we just go for the to list again. Now the same thing you can do it. Okay, now I want to go for the categories. So here we have a categories. Now get product categories, and dot get categories async. Here we have a get categories, so just got the result. Okay, now again I want to check my the next endpoint first. Okay, so I want to get types and the categories. So create a products, and the next URL in the collections, that is get categories. Okay, and the URL is base URL API/products, but I want to get only types, so just you can use types. That is the get request. This is my get request: anklet, bangles, bracelet, earring, and necklace and rings. That is the types. So it's a categories, but I want to get the types, so you can just put it categories. So here we have a categories. Now I want to save this with the categories. Now the next one is get types. So get types, products/types. I want to get it. Yes, that's it. Now save it. Now here we have a 4 endpoints, like get products, create products, get categories, and the get types. So now saved it, the URL, and I close. Okay, so everything is fine, and see you in the next video.